As the oil disaster in the Gulf enters the 7th week, shrimpers and oyster houses have been the face of the growing financial and cultural catastrophe for local and national media.
The oil spill has been devastating to our business here in Louisiana, and a lot of people don't realize that Louisiana is the #1 producer of yellowfin tuna in all of North America.
But a little-noticed group of longliner boats along the banks of Bayou Grand Caillou, the most productive yellowfin tuna fishing fleet in the continental U.S., has also been largely shut down by the still-spreading leak. Jensen, Stevens Seafood, and Tunico, the 3 tuna producers in Dulac, accounted for almost all of the yellowfin tuna hauled onto Louisiana docks last year.
Well, I mean, we don't have the boats out fishing. I mean, most of the boats, as you can see, are tied up. A lot of these guys are working for BP. So not only are we affected in the fishing area where the guys are fishing, we don't have the guys to go work anyways because they're going to work for BP. BP's paying them for cleanup. You know, some of these guys are getting as much, captain owners are getting as much as $3,000 a day plus expenses. Deckhands are getting anywhere from $200 to $300, 2 deckhands per boat. So, you know, the fishing effort is not like it was. We're less than half of the fleet out fishing totally that fishes the Gulf of Mexico. Most of the Louisiana boats, as you can see, there's maybe 2 boats working out of Louisiana right now. You know, and the yellowfin and the bluefin tuna have just gone through a spawn just recently, probably about the same time as the spill happened in the Gulf of Mexico. So our concerns are, you know, that future stock that that's out there for the next 5 to 10 years. There's fish out there now to be caught. You know, we're dealing with a predatory fish like yellowfin tuna. It's, you know, all they do is swim and eat. They're blue water fish. They'll get out of the way of the oil. They're not going to die in the oil. But the juveniles and the eggs, the larvae, that's what our concerns are. Can that get out of the way of the oil, you know?